Hi everyone, I'm Luke Mangan and I hope you're all safe and sound at home. I've got a beautiful recipe for you. It's affordable, tasty and really fresh. My soy honey chicken with ginger vegetables. So let's get cooking. So, step 1, chicken breast cut into 4 pieces. Nice little chunks like that. Step 2, we're going to make the glaze. So you need about 100 mils of honey and 50 mils of olive oil and 50 mils of soy. You bring that to the boil. We just put that aside, let it cool, and then I'm going to dip the chicken in and just lay it on the baking dish about 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees. So, ginger. Just get some thin slices, cut it one way, cut it another way, really fine. Capsicum, 3 cloves of garlic, an onion and zucchini. In a large pan with olive oil, lightly fry the onions and garlic off. And you cook that out for a minute or 2. And then I just slowly want to add the zucchini slices, some sliced mushroom, and we're going to cook that down for another good 5 minutes or so. Nice pinch of salt and some black pepper. Smells amazing. Chopped capsicums, any vegetables you've got in the fridge you can use up. Just tasty. I've got a bit of broccolini there I'm throwing in as well. And now I'm just going to add my bok choy. And that'll just wilt down just nicely. Okay, so the chicken's been in for about 15 minutes. And what I'm going to do now is just pour the excess soy honey marinade just over that. And that'll be in there for another, 3 or 4 minutes, and it'll be really tasty. Okay, you can see all that's cooked down. It's like a little stir fry of all these beautiful flavors. Now, last step, just add all that beautiful ginger. And you can add as much as you want. Just mix that through. Ready to go. Look at that. All that ginger and veggies. Absolutely beautiful. There it is, perfectly cooked, the honey and the soy, and you've got some nice juices there for the sauce. Ready to serve. All those colors and flavors. Absolutely delicious. And to finish, I just put the baked chicken on top of these vegetables. That's my What's for Dinner recipe for you. Now head over to coles.com.au to get other recipes from other chefs and more inspiration. Quick, simple, fresh, honey soy chicken with ginger vegetables. Enjoy.